Hey guys, welcome back to the McCart YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this super cute set using the Polygel overlay method and creating these cute little Frenchies. Oh my gosh, I just cannot get over these nails. So first things first, we're going to have our nails prepped and ready to go. These are the products that we're using. We'll be using a polygel brush. It comes with a spatula on one side and a nylon brush on the other side, perfect for moving around and sculpting your gel. Right now, I'm just dehydrating my nails with using a lint-free wipe and alcohol. And now we'll just be using a base coat on all of our nails. This will help make your set last much longer, as well as helping the product adhere better to the nails. And now we're just going to cure that in our lamp for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to take my favorite nude polygel in the color A Siesta, and I'm going to take a little bit and put it on the nail. You can use the spatula if you like, and I'm going to dip my brush into alcohol or slip solution, whatever you have on hand, and lightly press it into the nail. Right here I'm getting close to my cuticle area so that I can make it as flush as possible while still sculpting and keeping as much shape as I possibly can. Now while my brush is still wet, I'm going to be lightly smoothing over the surface to get it as nice and smooth as possible. Doing it this way will make sure that I don't have to do too much shaping or filing in the end. Literally look how smooth that is. And now I'm just going to remove the excess from the tip. And right here I'm just using my brush to further shape and contour the nail so that it comes out perfect. After curing in your UV lamp for up to a minute, I'm going to take a little bit of alcohol in my lint-free wipe to just wipe off the inhibition layer or tacky layer at the top. And then I'm going to take my favorite nail files and a sanding band and just smooth out the surface and make the tip of my nail super straight. And now we'll be taking the McCart X Gabby Angelique classic white gel liner to create our classic French tip. So right here, I am just outlining where I want my French to go. I wanted to keep it towards the very tips of my nails to have that very classic look, if you know what I mean. And right here, I'm just kind of outlining and filling in, and I'll be doing 2 coats of this, but I'll just let you watch. After some finishing touches and putting that under the light for about a minute, I'm going to take my top coat and top it off. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite part. So satisfying. And there you have it, a cute little simple classic polygel overlay over my natural nails to keep them nice and strong and healthy. Here's all the products that I used, and I hope that you guys enjoyed, and let us know what you want to see next. Give a like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.